In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to your Marvel's credit card account online. If you have also created your credit card and you want to manage your credit card account, then in this video, let me show you how it's done. First things first, open up your web browsers and search for marvels.com. Once you hit search, you're going to land on the official website of Marvels. Now from this website, to log in and manage your credit card, you can click on the login button on the top right. Once you click on the login button, you can now see this login form. You can also use the mobile app of Marvels to log into your account. So first of all, type in the username that you created while signing up. If you want this device to remember your username, the next time you log in, you can check this box, but avoid doing this process if you're not using your personal device. If you don't remember the username of your account, you can click on the forgotten username link and then follow the steps to recover it. After you type in the username, you can click on next, and in the next section, you'll also need to type in the password of your account, and once you do, you'll be successfully logged in to your Marvels credit card account. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video. Thanks for watching.